A Jamaican-born U.S. Army veteran who was deported this week is speaking out as he awaits an appeal. Godfrey Wade, who spent nearly 5 months in U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement custody, remains optimistic despite a previous ruling. Details in this report.
We want one hearing, one opportunity, one chance to be heard.
65-year-old Godfrey Wade in an interview with CNN outlining what he's hoping for as he awaits the outcome of his appeal for his immigration case in the United States. The 65-year-old U.S. Army veteran, who had lived in the U.S. for 50 years as a lawful permanent resident, was deported to Jamaica last week after an emergency stay of removal was denied.
I'm not a criminal. I've worked and paid taxes all my life.
His path to deportation began on September 13, 2025, when he was pulled over for failing to use a turn signal in Conyers, Georgia. He was arrested for driving without a license. Soon after, ICE detained him due to a 2014 removal order stemming from a 2007 bounce check and a 2006 simple assault charge. He addressed the issues.
So in the effort to remove me from the home, which is our marriage home, a 911 call was called. There was no assault. Secondly, the fraudulent check was a bounce check that upon given notice that the check was bounced, I made full restitution to the tag office. And thirdly, the disruption of anything else was not correct.
It's understood that the removal order was issued when Wade did not show up for a 2014 hearing he was not notified of, as they were sent to an old address. Attorneys say court records show hearing notices sent to an address used by ICE were returned as undeliverable, and so he was unaware of the removal order until his arrest. The 65-year-old has been dealt a hard blow, but when asked whether he looked at the United States differently,
absolutely not. I love this country. I am the ultimate Jamaican, as we would say. My children are American, my grandchildren are American, and I mentor hundreds, if not thousands, of American young people. And for me to respond differently would be an atrocity. I love this country and everything it stands for. We believe in the justice system, and we know they're going to do the right thing.
With Wade now deported and his appeal pending, it's a waiting game for his legal team, as courts often prioritize cases of persons currently in the United States.